All right, so today we're chipping with a split fire 4003 and a pretty new B2601. Now, these tractors are real popular, good frame size, they got good lifting capacity in the front loader and the rear 3-point hitch. And as far as the tractor goes, these have right around 25 horsepower, 19.5 PTO horsepower. So for a chipper like this, it's good horsepower. It's not tons of horsepower, but it'll comfortably chip 3-inch pretty well. You'll see in the video how well it works anyway. So. Now you can see on all of our chippers and our carryalls, they are quick connect ready. So on this machine here, we got a nice little Land Pride Category 1 quick hitch. And so really it's as easy as just backing up, lifting up, clicking it in, and getting the PTO shaft hooked up, and you're ready to go. And you can see here we have about maybe 6 inches of compression length in the PTO shaft. So whenever you're hooking the chipper up, always make sure your PTO shaft has some compression length. That way when it lifts up and moves down, it can compress and expand as needed. So this is a perfect amount of stretch, I guess, on that PTO shaft. And in this case, the rear discharge chute is perfect because we can just blow these chips right into this dump trailer, and we shouldn't have to pick up, you know, any chips as far as cleanup goes. So it'll be nice and easy. Looks like we have an oak here, and it won't take us long to take this down anyways, but yeah, it should work really good. All right, so ready to do some chipping. We're gonna engage it nice and slow just to ease it on that engine. So. All right, so we're gonna get out of here for the day, and that's a good full dump trailer load of chips. Now you could use this for a garden. We're gonna go ahead and bring it out to the local dump spot because we don't have any use for it on this little property here. But yeah, with a B2601, it's got good power, you know, good torque. You can still lug it down with those bigger branches, but it works really, really good. So, you know, if you have any questions on what you saw here or for any options, you can see us at split-fire.com, or always give us a call at the office too. We're more than happy to answer questions. And if you give us a big like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. Have a good night.